Alright guys, welcome back. So today we are actually on our way to Concept 3. Concept 3 is in Santa Fe Springs, California. So that's where we're going today. And I'm really excited because the big surprise, should I tell them?
Tell them.
Okay, so we have been lucky enough to get this opportunity from Adro. And we are going to be getting a carbon fiber body kit installed today at Concept 3, which I'm super excited about. I can't believe that we have just been blessed with this opportunity. It's going to be super awesome to see how the car looks. This is going to be the first Elantra N in the US that has this body kit, and I really cannot wait to see how it looks and to show you guys how it looks as well. So stay tuned and we will bring you guys along with us to Concept 3 and show you pretty much, you know, behind the scenes. Alright guys, so we just made it to Concept 3. So right now they just parked the car there and the videographer is gonna, I guess, start doing his thing. So yeah, we're gonna also show you a little bit about the whole shop, and Will's right there, but he's known to help the whole KDM community, even JDM community. His cars here are freaking goals. So yeah, it's a pleasure to be here, and thank you so much to Will, Concept 3, for having us, and of course Adro for this wonderful opportunity. Alright guys, so Abe just got here from Adro and he's over there taking some pictures right now, and we are going to be getting ready to get the parts installed. Here they are again, you guys. This is so freaking beautiful. Cannot wait, so let's see how it goes.
So for anybody that's not local to out here to California or SoCal that doesn't know Concept 3, this is Concept 3 right here. This is what it's going to look like as you approach from outside, and it's a very awesome shop. We've been knowing Will for quite a long time, and the knowledge that this man has is absolutely amazing. He's such a humble and kind person, and I will always give this man my business. Right off the bat, when you come in, you get some Boost juice down here for all you boys running meth. Alright guys, so Will right now, as you can see, it's the whole hatch actually comes off. The lid is off like that. So very interesting to see.
Yeah.
I would have never known what that.
And we don't really want to get in his way, so we're kind of staying back.
Exactly.
But at least you guys can see, you know, a little behind the scenes of what's going on here.
Check this out. This is for the normal Elantra.
Ooh. Can I record this?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Absolutely. Feel that, bro. Check that out.
Okay. Wow.
Your spoilers are whole lot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? This is a tiny baby. Dang, that's awesome. So this is for...
This is going to be for the CN7 or the Elantra Limit. It's just the Elantra N lines. This will fit on the trunk lid if you don't have a spoiler mounted already. So this will sit right on the back of the deck lid.
Just a little cute addition.
Beautiful.
Really beautiful. In person, it's like, ooh, it's got this little duckbill, if you will, going on. It's kind of hard to tell even in pictures, but something else. And on the front lip. Alright you guys, so we are going to wrap up the video here. We're about to leave Concept 3 and yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that, you know, you other Elantra N owners can now look into the body kit when it comes out, because there's a lot of exciting stuff gonna be coming out for the Elantra N, so stay tuned. thank you again so much to Adro, to Concept 3 for letting us use your shop. And Adro, this kit is freaking beautiful. The quality is just legit, so impeccable, so beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into today's video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.